Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to do spa at a reasonable price at home. So for that we have a product by the name of Swedish Spa in Oriflame along with the body butter, and there is a nail balm added to it. So it comes by the name of Swedish Spa Nourishing Nighttime Hand and Nail Balm. So I guess we all know what a spa is, but that comes at a very high price. But this product is very cheap and equally good. So there is a product by the name of Swedish Spa, which is actually a body scrub. So you can use the body scrub all over your body. You can rub it for about 5 to 10 minutes along with the loofah. You can use the loofah along with it, and thereafter you can wash it off. So you have to apply it obviously all over your body along with your hands, legs, but barring your face. So now let's see the application of the spa, the body scrub. You can rub it for about 2 good minutes and then wipe it off. Another good thing about this product is that you just have to use a very small amount of it. You don't have to use that good a volume. Alright, so now you can just wipe it off. Obviously you have to wipe it off with water. You're using a tissue paper. Now you just have a look at the difference. It kind of nourishes your body and gives it a very clean finish. Thereafter you can use the body butter. Apply the body butter. Even this is very smooth, very nourishing. So you can just have a look at the difference. The area is shining like anything. And this particular month, the products are on offer. So as regarding the February catalog, the products come at a 20% discount. The body butter is cheap. This particular month, it comes at a price of $6.69. And the Swedish Spa body scrub comes at a hot price of $2.99 in the month of March. So this is for the month of March, and the body butter's price is for the month of February. So both I suggest are good buys. So we'll give it a thumbs up. You should just order this product right away.